How to make Outlook start automatically on Windows 11. So here I am in my desktop. So for example, if you want to start Outlook automatically whenever you open your computer, what you can do is that you can enable it by doing the steps that I will do in this video. So from here, what you can do is that you can just press on the Windows key and then the R key on your keyboard so that you can open the run function. Or what you can also do is that you can just go to search, then just type in run, then click on that. And then from here, what you need to do is that you need to type this command right here. So shell startup. And then after that, you just need to click OK. From there, it will open this folder right here for your startup programs. So currently, I have different programs right here, and whenever I open my computer, they all automatically open or they automatically start. So in order to add Outlook right here, what we can do is that we can open our Windows programs and then we can see Outlook right here. So from here, I can just click and drag this inside of the folder right here. And then now we have the Outlook shortcut right here. If you can't see Outlook, you can go ahead and click show all and then find Outlook right here. If you still cannot find it, you can just type in Outlook right here and do the same thing where you can click and drag it right here. And then that is basically it. So now whenever you restart or open your computer, Outlook should now open automatically without you needing to manually click it. So for example, I can just click on this and then now we have Outlook. But when you open your computer, it will open this application automatically. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can make Outlook start automatically on Windows 11. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.